water tank full. These are the showers and the commodes. Bunch of campers. Another Bavarian building back there. There's a water fountain in the distance. Say bye to the well.
This is just a few shots here of the Camperland cabins. That blue one's the one that I actually stayed in. That's why I'm parked in front of it there with the van. And you can see some of the other cabins there. I think there was 4 or 5 total, all different colors. And that's just part of Camperland. Before that, you saw me walking through Camperland as well, just to see some of the different areas I'll be painting. This is the inside of the cabin that I stayed in. I think I had 2 cots or 2 bunk beds, or I'm sorry, 2 beds. A little table and a dresser. I was here on the weekends normally. I was painting in Pittsburgh around, I don't know, 3 or 4 days a week. The other 2 or 3 days I was coming up here for each of these visits. But yeah, this is me just looking around, filming the inside of the cabin I'm in, and the outside, and the yard or grounds actually outside in Camperland.
I've got 2 midway games here that I'm painting today pink. Walls are going to go drop off. We've got some nice colors here already, some purple, and some blue. And we're going to paint this red one pink as well inside, and we're going to do all the ceilings too.
Sound quality is not that great in those clips leading up to this part here because I was walking around. I had my cell phone that I was using. Wasn't sure what I was going to video or take pictures of. I was just kind of excited to be up here, and I think I had my hand on the wrong in the wrong part of the phone. I might have been muffled the speaker a little bit, but yeah, walking around, you would have seen the different areas I was going to eventually work on at some point, or that I thought I was going to work on at some point. And right now I'm just showing different parts of the game rooms, or actually the game booths along the midway area. These ones are already in progress, already being painted. The previous clip was me just walking through, and kind of showing how I had them all set up with drop cloths and had my primer and my paintbrushes and everything out. They were all kind of set up. Here you see me doing them one by one. This pink room here is finished now. It's got 2 coats of top quality Sherwin-Williams paint over top of the prep work that you saw before that in some of the other pictures. There was, I believe, 3 of these game rooms. There were 5 total. I think 3 of them I painted. One was green, one was pink, and I think one was like a purple or another type of a lighter color. Here's the green one. This was Ryan's. I believe his name was Ryan. Ryan was the one who operated this game and a couple of the other games too. There's Ryan right there doing some juggling. But yeah, this is one of the dart games, and yeah, it's actually finished, and so he's in there already working. After walking around Camperland and getting everything set up over in the Midway Games area and painting those games, the game booths, I started moving on to the Blue Street Grove pavilions, which you see here. Just a little picture of me there, standing there next to the pavilions.
Hey, you'd be surprised. Oh, you got it in video mode.
Oh yeah, just hit that little other thing, other icon.
Very special thanks actually to Brian Carabine, who was one of the original, actually the first CLP, Conneaut Lake Park volunteer, who came out to offer to help me. He helped me do the video, I'm sorry, he helped me do the Midway games as well.
Stay tuned, Brian. I got you on video. Oops, I just found a big hole too.
Here's actually a few pictures of Brian as he was helping me work on the pavilions there at the Blue Streak Picnic Grove. Here we are scraping and wire brushing, just prepping some of the pavilions. I happen to have my radio on. I think I had a radio actually with me, a little radio with tape deck or CD player in it with me, and it just happened to be playing while I was walking around painting the pavilion, so that's why you hear the music in the background. I haven't edited that out yet, but I thought I'd just leave it in because it made for a really nice moment as I was walking around hearing a Poison playing in the background and while I'm working on the park. Thank you for watching my Conneaut Lake Park restoration first visit. Stay tuned for more visits as I upload them, and I'll see you when we make another video. Thanks.